Hi guys, once again welcome back to Savino's Maths Plus. See, we have been discussing about polynomials. In this video, we are going to discuss about graphs of polynomials. See, before that, if you couldn't watch my previous videos, just watch it first. Okay? See, graphs of polynomials. Now in this video, what we are going to discuss is how to find out the zero of a polynomial graphically. So first of all, let us consider a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. Constant polynomial. See, we have seen that a constant polynomial is a polynomial of the form f of x is equal to a constant. So clear, in our previous lecture we have seen that a polynomial of the form f of x is equal to c is called a constant polynomial. For example, f of x is equal to 2 is a constant polynomial. F of x is equal to minus 1 is a constant polynomial. So what is the degree of a constant polynomial? We have seen that the degree of a constant polynomial is 0. Because if f of x is equal to 2, that can be written as 2x raised to 0. 2x raised to 0. What is x raised to 0? X raised to 0 is 1. This is nothing but 2 into 1, 2 itself. So a constant polynomial is a polynomial of degree 0. Or a 0th degree polynomial is called a constant polynomial. Now how you draw the graph of a constant polynomial? See, first of all, the graph of a constant polynomial is a straight line parallel to x-axis. Now let us discuss how is it. See, these are x and y axis. This is the positive direction of x-axis and this is the positive direction of y-axis and this is negative direction of y-axis and this is negative direction of x-axis, See, f of x is equal to, what is f of x is equal to? F of x is nothing but, f of x is equal to means y equal to, f of x is nothing but y. So y is equal to, so how will you draw the graph of y is equal to? So locate 2 on the y-axis, or more precisely locate the point 0, 2 on the y-axis. So through the point 0, 2, draw a line parallel to x-axis. So this is the graph of f of x is equal to 2. So f of x is equal to 2 is a straight line parallel to x-axis and passing through the point 0, 2. So clear? So how will you draw the graph of f of x is equal to minus 1? Just locate minus 1 on y-axis. So this is the point minus 1 on y-axis. Or more precisely, this is the point 0, minus 1. So through this point, draw a line parallel to x-axis. So this is the graph of f of x is equal to minus 1. So the graph of a constant function is always parallel to x-axis. Now, how will you find out the zero of a polynomial graphically? You just understand this thing. See, to obtain the zero of a polynomial graphically, just find out the point of intersection or point of contact of the graph with the x-axis. That gives the zero of a polynomial. So how will you obtain the zero of a polynomial graphically? Just find out the point of intersection of the graph with the x-axis. And the point of intersection or the point of contact of the graph with the x-axis gives a zero of the polynomial. So clear? So here we can see that the graph will not touch the x-axis because the graph is parallel to x-axis. So this constant polynomial will not have zero. Our constant polynomial is a polynomial of degree 0. So it has 0 zeros. We have seen that if a polynomial is of degree n, it will have n zeros. A polynomial of degree 1 will have 1 zero. A polynomial of degree 2 will have 2 zeros. A polynomial of degree 3 will have 3 zeros, and so on. Or generally speaking, a polynomial of degree n will have n zeros. So this is a 0th degree polynomial. A constant polynomial means it is a polynomial of degree 0. So it has 0 zeros, isn't it? Or a constant polynomial has no 0 because the graph of a constant polynomial will not intersect the x-axis. Now let us move on to linear Second type is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. So linear polynomial means a polynomial of the form f of x is equal to ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. In our last lecture we have seen that f of x is equal to ax plus b is the general form of a linear polynomial where a not equal to 0, or a first degree polynomial is called a linear polynomial. So why a first degree polynomial is called a linear polynomial? It is because the graph of a linear polynomial is a line. That is why it is called linear. So what is the graph of a linear polynomial? It will be a line, or it will be a straight line. Let us see a very simple example. So f of x is equal to x plus 1 is a linear polynomial. F of x is equal to x plus 1. See, how will you find out the zero of this polynomial algebraically? We have seen that in order to find out the zero of a polynomial algebraically, just equate the given polynomial to 0 and then find out the value of the variable. So clear? So we are equating the polynomial to 0. What is the polynomial? X plus 1 is the polynomial. Just equate the polynomial to 0 and then find out the value of the variable. If x plus 1 is equal to 0, what is x? X is equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1 is the zero of the polynomial f of x is equal to f of x is equal to x plus 1. Now let us try to verify it graphically. For that, let us draw the graph of f of x is equal to x plus 1. F of x is equal to x plus 1. How will you draw the graph? We know that f of x is nothing but y. Y is equal to x plus 1. How will you draw the graph? You know, to draw the graph, x, y. So how do you draw the graph? Just give any value for x and then find out the corresponding value for y. So suppose for the sake of simplicity, let us take x equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, what is y? Y equal to 0 plus 1. That is 1. Now let us take x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, what is y? Y is equal to 2 plus 1. That is 3. See, in order to draw a straight line, only 2 points are needed. Now let us mark these 2 points in the xy plane. I think you know how to draw the graph. So to draw the graph of f of x is equal to x plus 1, f of x is nothing but y. Y is equal to x plus 1. How will you find out the points? Just give any value for x and then find out the corresponding value for y. Let us plot these points in the xy plane. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1, 2, 3. This is negative direction of x-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. And this is negative direction of y-axis, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now let us plot these 2 points. 0, 1. How will you plot the point 0, 1 corresponding to 0? You will have to mark 1. So this is the point 0, 1. How you mark 2, 3? Next point is 2, 3. That is corresponding to 2, you will have to mark 3. So this is the x coordinate 2. Corresponding to 2, you will have to mark 3. So this is the point 2, 3. So the graph of f of x is equal to x plus 1 will be a straight line joining these 2 points. This is the graph of f of x is equal to x plus 1. How will you find out the zero of this polynomial graphically? We have seen that to find out the zero of a polynomial graphically, just obtain the point of intersection of the graph of the polynomial with the x-axis. So this is the graph of the polynomial, and the polynomial intersects x-axis at this point, and it is clear that this point is x equal to minus 1. We will not consider this point. Why we are not considering this point? This is the point of intersection of the graph with the y-axis. We are only taking the point of intersection of the graph with the x-axis. So this is the graph of f of x is equal to x plus 1, and this graph intersects the x-axis at x equal to minus 1. So in this case, x equal to minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial. X equal to minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial. In the beginning we have seen that x equal to minus 1 is a zero of the polynomial. How will you find out the zero of a polynomial algebraically? Just equate the given polynomial to 0. That is x plus 1 is the given polynomial. Just equate it to 0. That is x plus 1 equal to 0 or x equal to minus 1. intersection of the graph with the x-axis. First we have seen constant function or a constant polynomial. Constant polynomial is otherwise called constant function. So this is a constant polynomial. F of x is equal to 2 is a constant polynomial. F of x is equal to minus 1 is a constant polynomial. So the graph of a constant polynomial is always a straight line parallel to x-axis. So a graph of constant polynomial will not touch or intersects the x-axis. So a constant polynomial will not have 0. And a constant polynomial is a polynomial of degree 0, so it has 0 zeros. How about linear polynomial? Linear polynomial is a first degree polynomial, therefore it has 1 0. And we have seen one example also, f of x is equal to x plus 1, and we have seen that x equal to minus 1 is a 0 of the polynomial, and we verified it graphically. Okay, I think today this is enough. In our next video, we will discuss more about graphs of polynomials, or more precisely, we will discuss about graphs of quadratic polynomials. See, even though this graphical representation of polynomials is not at all important as far as your exam point of view is considered, graphical analysis is very important in mathematics. That means if you can visualize a problem graphically, then you can very easily solve the problem. That too without using mathematical formula. So graphical analysis is very important. Okay, bye.